When innovative designs face manufacturing challenges, when complex parts and tight tolerances push the limits of production, when speed, quality, and scalability can't be compromised, who can provide the real solution? RPWORLD. For over 20 years, RPWORLD has been where innovation meets manufacturing.
From medical device, scientific instrument, robotics to automotive,
we are your reliable partner in precision and on-demand manufacturing. At RPWORLD, we provide in-depth design for manufacturability analysis. We identify production risks early and guide process selection, material choice, finishing options, and design optimization. This helps you move smoothly from part design to full production, reducing risks and saving up to 50% on development time and costs. CNC machining defines precision, and RPWORLD takes it further. In 2024, we expanded with a brand new CNC facility designed to separate prototyping from production. This dedicated approach means prototypes move faster, while production runs deliver stable, repeatable accuracy. In the same year, we also completed a full digital facility upgrade, ensuring consistency and transparency across manufacturing. With over 100 advanced 3, 4, and 5-axis machines operating 24/7, we guarantee tolerances down to plus or minus 0.01 millimeters and parts delivered in as fast as 3 days, giving you speed and precision at every stage. From rapid validation to reliable mass production, RPWORLD helps you bridge the gap with injection molding. With advanced presses and automated systems, we provide one-stop service, from early mold design and fabrication to low volume and full-scale production, ideal for 100 to 100,000 parts. This integrated workflow reduces supplier risks and accelerates your product launch by up to 80%. Backed by over 20 years of experience in manufacturing engineering-grade plastics, we support even the most demanding applications, from medical to automotive and beyond. Unlike injection molding, urethane casting requires no costly tooling, ideal for 20 to 200 parts, for functional testing or early market validation. Using silicone rubber molds and polyurethane materials, we deliver custom parts in as fast as 7 days, including insert molding, rubber overmolding, and injection molding-like functionality. RPWORLD also provides sheet metal fabrication, offering custom flat and formed sheet metal components through cutting, bending, or stamping. Surface finishing is essential for part appearance and performance.
In 2024, RPWORLD established a dedicated surface treatment facility,
giving your metal parts vibrant colors, enhanced corrosion resistance, and durable surfaces. In addition to anodizing, our Class 100,000 dust-free paint room achieves even the most intricate painting textures. Beyond these capabilities, our full suite of surface treatments, including plating, printing, laser engraving, and more, is completed entirely in-house, ensuring reliability and shorter lead times. Quality is always a top concern for our customers, and for us too. With ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certified systems, we implement strict quality controls throughout the manufacturing process, including incoming quality control, first article inspection, and more. In our climate-controlled metrology room, advanced equipment such as CMM 3D scanners and more enables full inspection to meet your most critical specifications. We also provide comprehensive documentation, including FAI reports, COA, ROSE, and REACH compliance reports to support your traceability and compliance. At RPWORLD, sustainability is part of how we manufacture every day. As an ISO 14001 certified supplier, we put ESG into action through 100% solid and liquid waste recycling, advanced air purification systems to reduce emissions, and empowering young talents to drive innovation. This means lower carbon footprints and a more sustainable supply chain for every customer we serve. RPWORLD is your trusted one-stop manufacturing solution partner. Precision manufactured, sustainably delivered.